In this video, we are going to solve question number 3 of banking chapter, and this question is of year 2009 children. See, 2009 question number 3, and let's see what our question says. Mrs. Goswami deposits rupees 1000 every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% interest per annum. Okay, find the matured value. So as we will read this term, that recurring deposit account, it means we will use that formula. Which formula? Simple interest is equals to P into n plus 1 into r whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, so let's see what is given. This is P children. Principal is 1000 and is 3 years, so we will change it into month. 3 into 12, that is 36 month, and rate is 8%. So with the help of that, we are going to solve this sum. And as it is a word problem, so end your answers with statement. So I've written given that P is equals to, or better you will write all the data, that the principal deposited by Mrs. Goswami is equals to rupees 1000. That is the better statement. You supposed to write that. So frame like that. I'm giving you only the concepts, the methods, how you will solve the sum. So I've copied P is equals to rupees 1000 and is 36 year. 3 years means 3 into 12 month, that is 36. No, it is not year, I'm sorry, this is month. 36 months, rate is 8%. So first of all we'll calculate interest, and the formula is P into n plus 1 into r whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. So now we'll put the value in place for P. We will write 1000 and then it is 36. Here is 36 plus 1. Rate is 8 whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay, so 100 and here 20 cancelled. 12 3s are 36 and 2 4s are 8. So overall in denominator there is only 1 left. So 10 into 3 into 37 into 4. This is the value. We will multiply it. So it is 10 into 37 into 12. We multiply 37 into 12. Instead of using calculator, we directly multiply. 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6 and 1 7, 37, 4 4 4. Yeah, it's 4 4 4. Once again you cross check if you want. Please cross check. If any mistake, you may correct it. Rupees 4440 will be the interest he will get after 3 years. And therefore matured value is equals to P into n plus interest. So how much principal is there? 1000 into number of month 36, interest 4440 rupees. So it is 36,000 plus 4440. It means when you are going to add it, this is 440 6 4 10, it is 40,440 rupees. So as a statement, you end the statement in that way, that matured value which Mrs. Goswami will get, that is equals to 40,440 rupees. In that way you end the answer, because this is a word problem and you will get step marking for everything. So say children, 36,000 is her own money which she has deposited. She get that much extra after 3 years. Okay, so I hope this answer is clear to you. Please do practice for similar sums.